advisor came, Mr. Ramakrishna, and the whole team that is present here. About the second entities. The second wave came. And now we are having the third entities. Now we request her, madam, not to dream of the third entities. We can't afford it. I started doing the pilot ship for NTTS. I'll tell you something more. All the JCs who attended have become associate members. I'm the only fellow hanging on till now. And recently I found many of the children are attending NTTS now. And I'm the same pilot. Can you tell me who is the most scared here? Please raise your hand. Nothing to be afraid. Just raise. All of you are under tension. Please raise. I am the fellow who is most scared. Honestly, I am the fellow who I shiver and shake in entities. Because the last day is always appearing in my mind. We spent 4 nice days sitting, talking, eating together, discussing, chatting, laughing. And last day I have to tell you, you are not selected. That is the most troublesome point for me in my life. You can help me in one way, by rising up in everything you do, by raising your standards and ensuring that we don't get a chance to tell you, please come again. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
For which, what I need is, what do people look for in a trainer? They look for a mentor. They look for a person from whom they can learn a lot. A person who can be taken as a role model. If you can strive to become that, our achievement is done, fully done. You cannot go half-hearted. For that, I want your complete focus on everything we tell you in these 4 days. Complete attention, total discipline. Time, if you have come here at 10, please be here at 9:55, not 10, 9:55. 10 is not entering the hall. 10 is sitting here and giving us your attention. That is 10. 9:55 you have to be here. Because we are all going to spread across the country to train many people. And if we don't follow those disciplines, we don't raise up to that image, then we are not fit to be trainers. Can you promise that? Yes. The same attention that you give now must also continue till the last day, 4th day. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
No, it has to continue forever in your life. And the discipline is not just for entities. This is the day on which you start the discipline and will continue in your life. Your families will change, your children will change, your employees will change. The members who attend your training programs will change. That is what we want. Not 4 days discipline. Discipline for life, and this is the time we will go. Can you assure that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Me and Pramod will be your faculty. We also had a third member, Mr. Tensing from Tamil Nadu. Most unfortunately, day before yesterday morning, he suffered a cardiac problem, and he was admitted at the hospital. Right now, he's in ICU in the hospital. But we are used to taking up challenges. That's what JCs teach us. We don't collapse when a challenge is thrown at us. So immediately, Pramod and I discussed and said, don't worry, we can handle it. What's the point in handling entities for 16 years and suddenly saying one member is not there, we are down? Okay, we will handle. Even if I am not there, Pramod will handle all the 3-4 days, no problem. All right? This is not an ordinary entities. This is a different entities throwing many challenges at us, because when I crack a joke, I don't know whether you are laughing or not. Because everything is hidden in the mask. So I have to imagine you are laughing. I don't know whether if somebody mumbles, I don't know who mumbles. But for God's sake, don't remove the mask. Okay? All of you are in my control, but Corona is not in my control. So you have to protect yourself. Coast Chapel is taking all precautions to ensure this hall is fumigated very often, and your rooms are also fumigated. The restaurant is fumigated. Okay? So they're taking the precautions. Now you have to cooperate with them. My colleague Pramod and I guarantee you one thing. None of the stuff that we are going to present to you in these 4 days is copied from anywhere. None of the stuff that we are going to give you has been downloaded from anywhere. None of the stuff that we're giving you has been copied from YouTube or any other place. This is our own stuff we are giving you. The Skill Development Committee of JCI India has made a beautiful trainer's manual and a participant's manual, which will be distributed to you at the end, the participant's manual. And they have given a nice agenda, which they have followed in the North entities. The same agenda will be following here also. Okay? The presentations and the examples given may be slightly different from our life, but the agenda is going to be strictly followed. Both North and South agenda are at par. Okay? You are free to stop us at any time and question us. Okay? There's nothing that we have to go on one flow and you understand everything or don't understand anything and keep quiet. You can stop us and question us. The more you question us, the happier we feel. And the more you challenge us, the happier we feel. So it's not just that you are silent listeners. You have to question us, you have to challenge us on various issues. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Yes, that is what is the development of a thinking trainer. We don't want copycat trainers. We want the thinking trainers, trainers who can think in different ways. And that is how you are going to become accomplished trainers for JCI India. A long president or a national president or any JC officer may be forgotten, but a trainer is never forgotten. A good trainer is never forgotten but admired by the members. Not only by the members who are now in this organization, but even the members who flow into the organization in future will also start admiring you. This is a very prestigious position, trainer, national trainer, JCI India national trainer. Please rise up to those standards because people look up to you for different standards. And I want all my participants to reach up to those standards. Out of the 16 entities which I've done, 480 participants like you have passed through my hands. 350 have graduated. More than 100 trainers have already established their own consultancies. They are earning through this field. If you ask me what is the highest paying professions today, it is the trainer's profession. But you have to rise up to the standard. You can't be a half-cooked cookie and say, I'm here for sale, nobody is going to buy you. You have to rise up to the standard and then only you can do it. The largest earnings are now in digital marketing, coaching industry. If you know how to conduct a proper training program to coach coaches around the globe, today's technology brings the audience across the globe to your feet, not just India. Across the globe. And the lovely softwares that Google has produced, Speechelo and many other softwares, you speak in Marwadi language, it will be translated into Spanish, it will be translated into Japanese. So you don't have to worry about learning the language. You do your own language, Telugu, Tamil, and it will be translated into Portuguese, into Spanish. The platform is ready for you to grow. How much attention you are going to give it will bring wonders in your life. You can sit in your toilet and conduct a program for the rest of the world and make millions, I'm telling you. We have already started doing it. Corona is dreadful, but it has taught us a lot of things. To reach audiences beyond our normal reach across the globe, use this opportunity. And the national trainer of JC India is not a small guy, he's an accomplished guy. He's doing wonders. But he has to work for it. Nothing is free, you have to work for it. All these 4 days, Pramod and I are not here to be your bosses. We are here, he's probably your brother, I am probably your mama. But we are here to guide you. We are here to assist you. That is why we are called facilitators. Facilitators means we facilitate so that what is inside you can come out. Okay? We will bring small emery papers, sandpapers to scratch you, which will show what is inside you. And in these 3 days, we are going to help you like brothers, hold you by your hand and take you forward. But remember, we are not here to boss you. We are not here to show off what we know. We are here to bring out the best in you, if you cooperate. There are many who think they know already a lot of things. God bless them, help them. They say, we don't want you, we know. Please do it. And many of them, after they finish the 20 days, they come back and say, sir, can you tell me that? Yes, please pay 25,000 rupees and come for the next 20 days. One small instruction. Hosts have made 150% arrangements for you all. Do you believe that?
Yes.
Not 100%, 150 arrangements. And there are people who have been working day and night to make this happen. Please give a round of applause. One last instruction. The toilets are on the left side, the swimming pool is on the right side. Don't use the swimming pool that side. Don't use this as a toilet. Okay? I'm repeating. On the left side of the toilets, right side the swimming pool. There is a session in the swimming pool also for you. This no sessions, you can go whenever you want. So I wish you all the best. We have an exemplary personality as our chief guest today. CG means what? CG means? Center of gravity. Okay. Now PNP Ravi Shankar is the center of gravity of JCI India.